Most SUVs today are flashy and full of tech, but looks can be deceiving. Many vehicles fail after just a few years due to complicated engines, poor maintenance design, and expensive electronics. The real question is, which SUVs are built to last, not just to sell? In this video, we're diving deep into the most reliable SUVs with all the technical details, fuel stats, mileage potential, maintenance costs, and dealership insights. These SUVs are proven to reach 200,000 miles and beyond. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss our detailed car reliability guides. Number 7. Mazda CX5. Simple engine, long life. CX5 is one of the most underrated SUVs when it comes to long-term reliability. Its base engine is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4, producing around 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. This engine is simple, robust, and avoids the high-stress components found in turbocharged engines. Fuel economy is excellent for its class, with around 24 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. The transmission is a 6-speed automatic, smooth and durable, rarely giving issues even after high mileage. Owners frequently report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. Dealership maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes every 7,500 miles, spark plugs every 60,000 miles, and transmission fluid changes at 100,000 miles. The CX5 also features Mazda's iActiveSense safety suite, including blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Interior quality is surprisingly upscale for the price. Soft touch materials, premium stitching, and a solid infotainment system ensures that it ages gracefully. The CX5 also scores well in crash tests, with 5-star ratings from NHTSA and top marks from IIHS. In summary, the Mazda CX5 is a durable, fuel-efficient, and comfortable SUV that's built to last without breaking the bank on maintenance. Number 6. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Cross Hybrid is the perfect SUV for fuel efficiency and long-term reliability. Its powertrain consists of an 18-liter 4-cylinder engine combined with a hybrid electric motor, producing a total of 121 horsepower, paired with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, or ECVT. Fuel efficiency is outstanding, with 38 to 40 mpg combined, making it one of the most economical SUVs on the market. Toyota hybrid systems are extremely reliable. The battery can last 10 to 15 years with proper care. Maintenance is low cost and straightforward, including oil changes every 10,000 miles and hybrid system checks every 30,000 miles. The interior is modern and practical, with enough space for 5 adults, a large cargo area of 25 cubic feet, and Toyota's Touch 8-inch infotainment system. Safety ratings are excellent, with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, and automatic high beams. Dealerships report minimal warranty claims on hybrid components, and owners frequently surpass 200,000 miles without major issues. Reliability reports consistently rank it among the top SUVs for long-term ownership. Number 5. Subaru Outback Wilderness. The Subaru Outback Wilderness is designed to survive harsh conditions and extreme terrain. It features a 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine with 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque, mated to a CVT. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides constant power distribution, ensuring stability in snow, mud, and rough terrain. Fuel economy is slightly lower due to its off-road focus, around 22 mpg city and 28 mpg highway, but durability is the real selling point. Owners frequently report high mileage use, including off-road adventures, with 150,000 plus miles with minimal engine or drivetrain issues. Maintenance is simple for such a capable SUV. Oil changes every 6,000 miles, timing chain inspection every 90,000 miles, and regular AWD checks. The suspension is reinforced to handle uneven terrain without premature wear. Inside, the Outback Wilderness offers 108 cubic feet of passenger volume, high-quality materials, and modern safety features, including EyeSight driver assist technology.
Dealerships often praise its low warranty claims despite heavy off-road use, making it one of the most reliable SUVs for adventurers.
Number 4. Honda CRV Hybrid. Practical, smooth, and reliable. The Honda CRV Hybrid combines Honda's renowned reliability with efficient hybrid technology. Its 2.0-liter inline-4 engine paired with an electric motor produces 212 horsepower. The eCVT ensures smooth power delivery while reducing wear on engine components. Fuel economy is impressive, 40 mpg city, 35 mpg highway, making it ideal for families or city driving. Interior space is generous, with 105 cubic feet of passenger space and 39 cubic feet of cargo, expandable to 75 cubic feet with seats folded. Maintenance costs are low, with recommended oil changes every 10,000 miles and hybrid system checks every 30,000 miles. The CRV Hybrid also includes Honda sensing safety features, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and road departure mitigation. Owners report excellent reliability past 200,000 miles, and resale value remains strong due to Honda's reputation. Dealerships frequently highlight the CRV Hybrid as one of the most trouble-free SUVs for long-term ownership. Number 3. Lexus RX 350h, luxury and longevity combined. The Lexus RX 350h is the luxury hybrid SUV built to last decades. Its 3.5-liter V6, paired with an electric motor, produces 308 total horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and minimal engine stress. The hybrid system is refined and proven, with batteries often lasting 15+ years. Fuel economy is solid for a luxury SUV, 31 mpg city, 28 mpg highway, and maintenance costs are predictable due to Toyota engineering. Routine checks include oil changes every 10,000 miles, brake inspections, and hybrid battery monitoring. Inside, the RX 350h features high-end materials, leather seating, wood trim, and a 12.3-inch infotainment display. Safety ratings are excellent, with Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0 including pre-collision, pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, and adaptive cruise control. Owners regularly surpass 250,000 miles with few major issues, and dealerships consistently report low warranty claims, making it arguably the most reliable luxury SUV on the market. Number 2. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and electric motor, delivering 219 horsepower and eCVT transmission. Fuel economy is 41 mpg city, 38 mpg highway, and reliability reports are excellent, and owners commonly exceed 200,000 miles. The SUV is practical, with 37.6 cubic feet cargo space, 5-passenger seating, and Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Maintenance is straightforward, including oil changes every 10,000 miles and hybrid system inspections every 30,000 miles. Dealers consistently report minimal hybrid issues. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is legendary for decades of durability. Its 5.7-liter V8 engine produces 381 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy is low, around 13 to 17 mpg, but longevity is unmatched, with vehicles often lasting 300,000+ miles. The Land Cruiser's body-on-frame design, reinforced components, and rugged drivetrain make it ideal for extreme conditions. Maintenance is predictable and straightforward for such a capable vehicle, and dealerships report minimal warranty claims. This SUV is perfect for those seeking maximum long-term reliability. Here's the final takeaway. Mazda CX5, simple, reliable, fun to drive. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, fuel-efficient, low-maintenance, long-lasting. Subaru Outback Wilderness, rugged, overbuilt, off-road ready. Honda CRV Hybrid, practical, smooth, and family-friendly. Lexus RX 350h, luxury, durability, minimal maintenance. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, fuel-efficient, trouble-free ownership. Toyota Land Cruiser, legendary, built to last decades.
The best SUV isn't always the flashiest or most expensive. It's the one that performs reliably year after year, mile after mile. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and comment which SUV you'd trust to last forever. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.